If you do these three mistakes, you will never become a successful trader. So first one, FOMO. FOMO is basically fear of missing out. When market is going continuously upward direction, when market is in extreme euphoria, the smartest money are going to book their profits, and then some retailers going to enter at that area, and then they will see their losses in their trades. So that's how smart money works. They exit when the retails are going to enter in the market. Then how to avoid FOMO? When market is getting overbought, don't try to trade at that time. How to find when market is overbought or oversold? There's a simple one thing that you can notice. RSI. RSI is one of the important indicators while trading crypto or anything. When RSI is overbought, then that's the indication that market is at overbought condition, can see a major correction at that area. And when RSI is at oversold, this is a major indication that market is going to get a pullback from that area. The market will go a little bit higher from that area. So that's some indication that you can get that market is overbought or oversold. And another thing you can do is try to find supports where market is not too much up from the recent support. That means market has already pumped, you already missed that, and you are going to chase that trade to make some profit, but from that point market starts falling, and that's what we call FOMO. Second one is identifying fakeout. Fakeouts are mostly done to trap retail money in crypto. Fakeouts are mostly seen in weekends because there is no volatility, no volume, because there is no SPX 500, no DXY, and no US bonds are trading at that time. So there will be majority of fakeouts. So how to identify fakeout? So when we see lots of bullish momentum and with very less volume in the market, so that's some kind of indication that it's going to be a fakeout. And I will show you here one example of NEAR, where NEAR has no volume in it and it's breakout at that point, and most of retail money are open their long position at that area, and then NEAR has completely faked out this breakout. So that's how you can identify it's either a fake out or breakout. If you want to make me a full video on how to identify a fake out, I will make a video for you guys. So please make sure you subscribe, please make sure you like this video, please make sure you share with your traders friend. So let's move into third point. Psychology is the most important thing in trading. Your psychology will decide how your trade will perform. I'll give you an example. If you have taken a trade in BTC and suddenly the trade is going against you, most of time you will close that trade before getting to your stop loss, and you will book a loss, and then you see suddenly that the trade is going to in your favor. So why this happens? It happens because lack of patience and not having good psychology in trading. You have proper risk reward, so just don't close that trade, stick to your trade, show some confidence on your setup. So that's the three mistakes you need to stop doing from today onwards. So if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe, please make sure you like this video, please make sure you share this video with your friends, with your trader friends. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Peace out.